I'm not alone. Strength in the stillness, hope in the quiet. You are my refuge, you never hide. Here in your presence, I'm not afraid. Your quiet strength holds me each day. Your quiet strength leads me in your way. When the night feels long and heavy, and the doubts begin to rise, you are singing in the shadows, pouring peace into my mind. In the waiting and the wondering, when the answers feel unclear, you are steady, kind, and faithful. Your soft whisper dries each tear. You lift me up when I am weak. You hold my heart and give me peace. Your gentle voice is all I need. Your quiet strength is strength indeed. You speak life into my fear. You breathe hope into my tears. In your rest, my soul can sing. In the silence, you are king. Strength in the stillness, hope in the quiet. You are my refuge, you never hide. Here in your presence, all fear must fade. Here quiet strength holds me each day. Your quiet strength, it'll never fade. Strength in the stillness, here I will stay, resting in Jesus day after day. Your quiet strength, your quiet strength will never fail. When the shadows fall around me and my heart begins begins to shake, still I know you walk beside me. You will carry all my weight.
In the moments I feel empty and the road is dark and long, you remind me you are with me. You are steady, you are strong.
In the storms that try to break me, in the nights I cannot see, you remind me I am held here by the one who carries me. Every burden, every sorrow, every quiet tear I weep finds its resting place in Jesus. In His arms my soul finds sleep. So I lean into your promise, letting go of fear and doubt. You have never failed to lift me when my strength is running out. You carry me, you carry me through the fire, through the deep. You carry me, you carry me on your everlasting wings. When I'm weak and barely breathing, still your faithfulness I see. My Savior, my shelter, you carry me.
When the memories feel heavy and the past begins to roar, you remind me of your mercy. You don't hold my faults anymore. When my courage feels like fading and I struggle just to stand, you restore the hope within me with the kindness of your hand.
Not by my strength, not by my might, but by your Spirit I will rise, safe in your hands. Forever I'll be my Savior, my shelter. You carry me. You go before, you lead me on through every night into the dawn. Your gentle voice still calls to me. My child, you're safe, just rest in me. to understanding. Every step you call me to, all you want is my surrender and a heart that rests in you.
So I choose to trust your timing, even when I feel undone. For your plans are full of mercy, and your faithfulness is strong.
In the waiting, in the still, you remind me to be still. In quiet trust, I rest in you. I know your word is always true. In quiet trust, my heart is still. I choose surrender to your will.
When the noise begins to wander through the corners of my mind, you restore the gentle wonder that your peace is always kind.
Every prayer I lift in silence finds its home within your grace. You're the calm within my breathing. You're the steadiness I face. Teach my soul to wait on you. Help my heart to trust you too. Here I lay my every fear in quiet trust. You draw me near. Quiet trust, my heart is still. I choose surrender to your will.
You are strong when I am broken. You are gentle when I fall, with compassion overflowing. You restore me through it all.
When my heart is torn and restless, when my strength is wearing thin, you remind me you are present. You bring healing deep within.
You correct me with your mercy. You embrace me with your grace. You defend me when I'm weary. You are strength in every place.
In the moments I feel fragile, when my courage slips away, you become my calm and shelter. You're my refuge day by day.
Every weakness, every tear meets your kindness, meets you here.
Strong